In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off Snap to Grid in Adobe Illustrator, specifically how to turn off perspective grid snapping so it stops interfering with your shapes and selections. If you've ever tried to move an object and it keeps snapping into strange angles or locking into perspective, this is the quick fix you need. This is a very common issue, especially if you accidentally enabled the perspective grid, and the good news is it only takes a few seconds to turn it off. I'll walk you through the fastest shortcut and also show you where to find the setting in the menu. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Illustrator tips just like this. Let's jump right in. So first, let's talk about what's happening. If your objects are snapping into perspective or you see blue grid lines across your artboard, that means the perspective grid is turned on. When this grid is active, Illustrator assumes you want to draw in perspective, and it automatically snaps objects to those grid planes. That's helpful for architectural or 3D style designs, but for most regular design work, it can be frustrating. The fastest way to turn this off is with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and I at the same time. As soon as you press that shortcut, the perspective grid will instantly disappear. Once it's hidden, your objects will stop snapping to those perspective planes, and you can move and design normally again. If you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts or just want to know where the setting lives in the menu, here's the manual method. Go up to the top menu bar and click on View. From the drop-down, hover over Perspective Grid. Then click on Hide Grid. As soon as you click Hide Grid, the grid will vanish from your artboard, and snapping to the perspective layout will stop. Now, if you still feel like objects are snapping even after hiding the perspective grid, double-check that regular Snap to Grid isn't enabled. You can do that by going to View and making sure Snap to Grid is unchecked. If there's a check mark next to it, click it once to turn it off. This ensures Illustrator isn't snapping objects to the standard document grid either. In most cases, though, the main problem is the perspective grid being active. And remember, you can always toggle it on or off instantly using Ctrl, Shift, I on Windows. It's a toggle shortcut, which means pressing it again will bring the grid back if you ever need it for perspective drawing. This is especially useful to know because it's very easy to enable the perspective grid by accident. Sometimes a shortcut gets pressed unintentionally and suddenly your artwork behaves differently. Now you know exactly how to fix it in seconds. So just to quickly recap, if your objects are snapping in strange angled directions, press Ctrl, Shift, I to hide the perspective grid, or go to View, then Perspective Grid, and choose Hide Grid. And if needed, also confirm that Snap to Grid under the View menu is turned off. That's it. Super quick, super simple, and now you're back in full control of your design workspace. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.